Powerful storms and erratic weather have hit much of Turkey, causing heavy flooding and damage, inundating many city areas. The city of Dalaman, Türkiye, was thrown into chaos and mourning by a storm accompanied by sudden, devastating downpour. A flash flood with winds of 203 kilometers per hour raged across the city center, bringing with it tragedy and destruction. At the same time, an extremely strong tornado touched down in the city of Dalaman in Mugla province, turning the sky black for several minutes. Strong winds knocked down billboards, and debris spread, breaking windows on buildings and cars. Even on the outskirts of the city there was hail. Residents had to hide indoors to avoid the tornado, and there were reports of dozens of fallen pillars and trees. There were even reports of damaged buildings at the epicenter of the event. Fortunately, no injuries occurred. However, this tornado is a rare phenomenon for this area. These precautions are taken to protect against a potential hazard due to extreme weather conditions. The storm and heavy rain caused heavy damage and disrupted power supplies in towns and villages, leading to the imposition of a state of emergency in the affected areas. Authorities said the storm in the Black Sea region had begun to gradually lose control. Dalaman received a warning code from the meteorological agency when floods fell at night, causing traffic jams in some places. According to media reports, flooding affected the Kakapetrol Kent, IU Bell, and Tilm areas as well as the main road. Many vehicles were flooded in the Gape area, including the neighboring city's research building, which was also flooded. In addition, the workyard was also damaged. Strong winds caused many trees and plants to fall onto the coastal road, blocking the road and damaging many vehicles. Floodwaters carried many items such as shoes, refrigerators, dolls, wheels, and crates into the city center due to the waves. Notably, the floodwaters caused it to collapse. Turkey's meteorological agency has issued a final warning, saying there will be heavy rain in 6 provinces in the Dalaman area and surrounding areas in the next few days. Authorities also warned residents via social media that rain could cause canals and rivers to overflow and advised people living near rivers and basement cocoons to evacuate their homes. The party also ordered the closure of all schools, if the situation does not allow it.
No do hajzlu!
These extreme weather conditions also created chaos across the Black Sea, causing major damage and disruption in Bulgaria. Strong winds, heavy rain and snow caused 2 deaths, heavy damage to property and disruption of power supplies in towns and villages. Extreme weather conditions also caused a cargo ship to crack and forced the evacuation of a prison in Türkiye. The country's northwest coast was affected by strong storms and strong winds, causing major flood damage in towns and cities in the central Denizli district. Extreme weather conditions also caused significant disruptions in daily life, forcing authorities to postpone educational activities in some areas of the Rin region for at least a day. Local authorities and city administration warned citizens not to leave their homes. Meanwhile, local authorities are monitoring the work and developments from the AFAD Center, which operates 24 hours a day due to adverse weather conditions across the province, and are checking the river.
No, direct.